Hi there, everybody. This is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolé Gabrielle here from Elevated Planet, and we'd like to welcome you to today's show where we're getting into how to manifest, and it is quick and to the point. John is going to tell us more about it.
Yes, yeah, we're going to start doing a lot more of these. It's going to be short and sharp and really, meaningful. I think there's a lot of deep messages, and maybe what we'll start to do is to get a little bit more honed in on certain key points. And certainly for today, moving into the wisdom of Alan Watts, I think this really helps us to set the scene for the years ahead, right? Because this is the kind of thing we've spoken about in the past. But at the end of the day, I think to give it significant focus at this point in time, when we're just about to switch out of 2025 and into 2026, and also going back over last week when we had Samuel B. Lee, he was saying that this 2025 to 2030 timeline is when we effectively decide which train we're going to get on from the station. One is remaining within the third density reality, and the other one going into the fifth dimension reality, or whatever that turns out to be. So this is where we are setting the scene. And it's about stepping into our power. Because the one thing that really keeps coming back in this day and age in particular is that there are so many external distractions, so much noise, so much time trying to take our attention from our true power, because everything, the true power lies within. Alan Watts himself, for those not familiar with him, he actually died back in 1973, as it happens. But he was steeped in the Eastern philosophies, the Buddhism, the Hindu, the Taoist philosophy as well. Excellent at really interpreting that and putting it across in a way where Western minds could understand things a little bit better. So, right, what we're going to do, we're going to repeat that little section again from Alan to set the scene for the meditation that will follow. So bear with me a second. It is something that very much is worth repeating. So give me a sec and we'll be right there.
The best way to end something is to let it starve. You see, conflict thrives on attention. The moment you engage, you feed it. And whatever you feed grows. But if you simply let it be, if you withdraw your energy, it withers away, like a fire deprived of air. The world is built on patterns, loops of cause and effect. Most people stay trapped within them, reacting endlessly, playing the same game over and over. But here's the secret. You don't have to play. Step back, and the game collapses. Step away, and new pathways unfold. Where attention goes, energy flows. So if you wish to move forward, let go. Do not return negativity. Do not wrestle with what seeks to pull you in. Instead, remove yourself entirely. Break the cycle, and life will adjust to your absence. This is where real power lies. Not in resistance, but in redirection. You are not bound to old loops. You are the creator of new ones.
Take a deep breath in. As you put your feet flat on the floor, your palms face up on your thighs. And today, as we sit here, breathing with the rhythm of our body, we're going to see the divine creator of all that is shine a light on us of unconditional love. And this beautiful golden sun is like a strobe light And the Creator is beaming it down directly on you. Sit in the warmth of this unconditional love, which is engulfing your aura layer, your toroidal field. All of you is just basking in the unconditional love coming down from the heavens, from the divine. Ground your energy in this, in Mother Earth, as this beautiful golden white light engulfs you. And just go to that happy place. These 50 trillion cells are embodying the energy of your joy. Your grounding cord now is just filled with so much joy, so much happiness to be here as it roots itself into Mother Earth. And this time it's able to share of itself instead of taking. So allow for your essence to just go into Mother Earth as you tell her, thank you so much. I love you. It's your time to receive. Because we are so powerful. We have so much to give. Our aura layer, it's 1.5 feet around us, but it can go as far out as we need it to go to take responsibility for others, ourselves. Take responsibility to spread that unconditional love that we're basking in. What a time to be alive. So much gratitude is just coursing throughout your body as you sit here knowing that you can share, you can give. You are so powerful as that earth energy, your feet open, and it's your energy mixed with Mother Earth. Both of you in tandem, filling you up, bringing in so much unconditional love and self-awareness and understanding, self-love. You are made of Mother Earth and you are made of the cosmic divine. As your crown then opens and your higher self is standing at that power position as those beautiful golden drops are just cascading down on your higher self, coming into the crown. Making sure that pineal gland, the amygdala, it just gets filled up with this joy, and that worry, doubt, and the fear in the prefrontal cortex has been evicted. Down the grounding cord, filled up with all of that beauty that you are of the divine. Bring in that cosmic energy. Allow for those neurotransmitters and those peptides, or all of them, to just start working for your benefit. And your aura layer is just receiving the most beautiful, positive suntan from that beautiful strobe light coming down from the heavens. All of you is uniform. The love, the unconditional love, has moved out the pain, has moved out the disease and the illness. Miracles are taking place within you as you fill up with this energy that is you and the combination of Mother Earth and that cosmic divine, 85% of that. And all of that is you. You are the cosmos, you are the star, you are that supernova, that energy that pulsates and makes up that stardust. So dissolve and resolve all of the edges that you think you are, the density that makes up the boundaries that are you. See them disappear as you just become one with the environment around you. The air that you breathe is you. It's all you. Change your loop right now. You are lucky, you are beautiful, you are abundant. With so much gratitude for being here and knowing that the universe is malleable to your belief, your total, unbridled, unblocked, completely laser focused belief in you and the spirit that makes you up. Life is malleable. So as you sit here and breathing with the rhythm of your body as that beautiful strobe light of joy and unconditional love comes down, and then that cascading of the beautiful gold droplets, the waterfall that is divinity rains down and moves down through you and meets you. And that earth energy moves throughout your body into your aura layer. Create your future. Create a new loop, one that loves you unconditionally. Let's start at that foundation and build outward. I unconditionally love myself. That is the first loop that is being created. And guess what that loop turns into? It turns into a spiral. And now we're cooking with gas because we're at the golden mean, which is the stuff of manifestation. So create that symmetry in your visualization. Based on unconditional self-love. Moving out to loving what you do, loving how you behave, loving every aspect of you 360 degrees so that that can bounce out to others, to your environment. And that can bounce out into a high frequency and vibration, which then bounces out to aligning you with the laws of the universe. Creating a life of excellence and abundance, connection, joy, breathing in life, breathing out even more life into your environment. And now, before you know it, what are you sitting in but unspeakable beauty? One that you took responsibility for creating. You are all that you need. It creates the rest. So as you sit here in this joy and this vision of the present moment of unconditional love, which is then projecting out your future, breathe with the rhythm of your body. And bring that vision into your heart. And allow for this to move into those 50 trillion cells that make up you. Moving health, wellness, excellence, success, abundance. Most of all, unconditional love, self-love, joy, gratitude. Gratitude for you. So much love for yourself. So much grace. This light will never leave you. This light that shines down on you is always there, keeping you well, keeping you clear, and keeping you in the bosom of divinity. You always have access to this. So as you breathe with the rhythm of your body and feel you and earth energy and cosmic divine pulsate out into the aura layer, down into Mother Earth, as your 50 trillion cells know who you are, I want you to feel immense gratitude for this experience. And as you take a deep breath in and exhale, say, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. As you close the bottoms of your feet and you watch that earth energy recede back down into Mother Earth. And as you take another deep breath in, you say to your heart and your body, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. As you gently close your heart in your hands and you take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, as you close your crown, you say to your spirit and your soul, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. As you close that crown and you take another deep breath in, and on the exhale, you can open your eyes.